What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of halibut fishing. We went out of Newport this morning about 6:30 a.m. We went 25 miles offshore and it is now 1:37 p.m. So it's been a long day. We ended up getting one nice 46-inch halibut, probably weighs about 50 pounds. It was an awesome time. Dad got a little bit seasick, but other than that, it was a great time out here, and I hope you guys can come enjoy it too. I think it opens August 3rd, 7 days a week for, I think it's offshore halibut, but make sure to check your regulations. But anyways, thanks for watching today's video. If you like it, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time.
Got one? Do I need to reel my thing up? What? Do I need to reel it up? No. I got it.
Yeah, those electric reels of Curtis's were better, but this is more sporty. Oh, look at that. Finally. God. Finally, dude. Oh.
You're gonna be wore out when you get
That isn't even like, I know how much this reel goes, and it's not even close. I'm just hoping it doesn't come off. I'm gonna keep it out this side of the boat.
How's your drag?
Uh-oh. It's going straight for that other rod, Dad.
Well, there's no way I could get it up on time now. Don't thumb it too tight. He must have been close, huh?
Mm-hmm. Okay, here he comes. I'm just gonna... Oh, you know what it is?
Skate?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Oh, no, it's not. It's big. Okay, now just hold it out there. Now hold it out there. Let me get this lead on.
You're gonna break the...
I got it. Just hold it. Yeah, I know. Now.
Can you just pull that side of the net up? Oh, that weight's going everywhere.
Dude, I got it. As soon as he calms down. Okay, we'll just leave this on slack. Where's that bunker? Okay, bring him over here.
Dude. Let's bring him in.
The thing is, if that thing... Dude, that's another nice fish, dude. Oh my god. That's another 40-pounder. 50-pounder. Maybe more. That's a nice fish. Oh. Well, that was a bit of a mess there. See, I told you those things. They thrash so much. Give me some, Dad. Give me some. We did it. Let's go. We did it. Try to get these hooks out.
It's a beast.
That is a huge fish, dude. Jeez.
That is a beast.
Dude. They got some gnarly teeth, dude. It's not as big as that.
I think it's 46.
Whew, you're pretty damn close, Dad. 46. On the dot. I swear.
Pretty good guess, huh?
Like 46 and a quarter. Alright, guys, there he is. Halibut down. Let's go. 46-incher. So I'm guessing this fish weighs probably, I want to say 50 pounds maybe. 53 pounds probably. We'll weigh it later, but let's get him in the cooler. Oh. Woo! Pretty tight fit. He fits. Boom, baby. Let's go.
46-inch
Oh.
live weight. Or 46 inches is 46 pounds, 44 pounds dress weight.
I guarantee that thing weighs more than 50 pounds. I bet 53 is my
He's
guess.
out of scale.
I think it maxes out at 50. Alright guys, we just landed the halibut. Now I'm gonna go to my harvest tag, add harvest, Pacific halibut. Length was 46 inches. Location of harvest, 9. We're gonna save that. Let's see if she saves. It should save. I'm gonna leave it right over here. We're gonna go back to that spot and we're gonna do another drift, so we'll see you guys in a second.
Kelp.
What is it? It's heavy. It's gotta be a skate or something. This has gotta be a halibut, dude. It's just feels the exact same way the other one. Get that net ready.
I'm ready. I see it.
It's gonna be a rock.
So whatever it is, it's a rock.
Are you kidding me?
It's a rock.
You're not joking, right?
It's not a halibut.
Oh my god. Oh.
That's crazy.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, let's roll them up. Let's head out. That's enough.